So, do you want to be a YouTuber? But you are shy to show your face.
And your voice to be heard by others?
Yes, you can make money on YouTube even if you are not in the video. Hi guys, I'm Shortyify. If you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe so you can always be updated on my videos. What I will teach you today is YouTube automation,
wherein your voice will not be heard and your face will not be shown in your video, like what I do.
This is what many have done and are making a lot of money using YouTube automation. Let's not take it any longer. Let's get started.
So how is this? I will teach you how to create YouTube automation using AI, step by steps. First step, create your YouTube channel. Create your logo and banner.
Click Publish. And now we're done. Let's proceed to the next step.
Second step, look for videos that you want in your project. You can search in YouTube and download it using YouTube Downloader. I will attach the link of the website below. Third step, once you are done downloading videos, compile it to CapCut or any video editor you are used to. Format must be 16 by 9. The most important thing is to mute the videos that you compiled, and your video must be less than 1 minute so that you won't get copyright issues.
Fourth step, create script for the videos you compiled. Tips: you can use ChatGPT to make it easier and upload it to your video editor. You can also add background music that are available on your editor. When you're done with the 4 steps that I've taught you, this is how your video should look. Free diving is a form of underwater diving in which the diver holds their breath instead of using a breathing apparatus like scuba gear. It can be done in both saltwater and freshwater environments and at depths ranging from a few meters to over 100 meters. It also requires a high level of physical and mental training, as well as discipline and focus. Free divers must have excellent control over their breathing, heart rate, and body movements to prevent blackout and decompression sickness. It can be dangerous and requires proper training, equipment, and safety procedures to minimize the risks. Despite the risks, free diving continues to grow in popularity as more people discover the thrill and excitement of exploring the underwater world on a single breath.
If you had observed, I did not use my real voice narrating the video. Yes, it is possible. You can hire voice actor for free using fake you. I will attach the link of the website below. If this helps you, please subscribe on my channel for more videos.